Want to know how to fit your audio selection to a certain width, or how to zoom in or zoom out your audio selections to a width so that it just fits your monitor? So well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, here you should be seeing your current interface or your interaction button. So you can just simply select file, import, and import any audio that you like, and now just double click on it first. Now once you've double clicked on it, here on the top you should be seeing various options. So right beside zoom in or zoom out, you should be seeing something known as fit selection to width. So you can just simply select this if your project is zoomed out, and you can just simply select it to fit it. And if your project is zoomed in, you can just simply select this right here, and it should fit as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.